Beneath deserts, jungles, and mountains lie the silent remains of forgotten civilizations, once thriving with life, laughter, and ambition, now swallowed by nature and time. From entire cities frozen in volcanic ash to temples hidden deep within jungles, these ruins hold secrets of humanity's past. Today, we uncover the most fascinating lost cities ever discovered, and even one that may never have existed at all. Lost cities spark the imagination because they remind us of our own fragility. Civilizations that once dominated the world are now reduced to broken stones and half-buried streets. What caused them to fall? Was it war, natural disaster, or something else? As we explore these sites, we not only step into history, we step into mysteries that still puzzle archaeologists today. Let us begin our journey across continents through time and into the heart of humanity's forgotten empires. Our first stop takes us high into the Andes of Peru, where the world-famous Machu Picchu rests among the clouds. Built by the Inca in the 15th century, this royal estate features intricate stone terraces, temples, and a citadel constructed without modern tools. After the Spanish conquest, Machu Picchu was abandoned and remained hidden for centuries, blanketed by dense jungle. It was not until 1911 that explorer Hiram Bingham brought it to international attention. Today, its breathtaking beauty makes it one of the new seven wonders of the world. And yet, its true purpose, whether royal retreat, sacred site, or both, remains a mystery. Carved directly into red sandstone cliffs, Petra, also known as the Rose City, was once the capital of the Nabatean kingdom. More than 2,000 years ago, it was a wealthy trade hub linking Arabia, Egypt, and the Mediterranean. Its iconic treasury and monastery, with facades taller than modern buildings, are marvels of rock-cut architecture. But Petra declined after trade routes shifted and earthquakes damaged the city. Eventually, it was forgotten by much of the world until its rediscovery in the 19th century. Today, walking through the narrow Picchu Canyon and emerging to see the treasury feels like stepping back in time. In 79 AD, the bustling Roman city of Pompeii was abruptly silenced when Mount Vesuvius erupted. Within hours, ash and pumice buried streets, markets, and villas, freezing the city in time. When excavations began centuries later, archaeologists discovered frescoes, mosaics, and even the haunting plaster casts of victims. Unlike most ruins, Pompeii is not just broken walls, it is a snapshot of daily life nearly 2,000 years ago. Walking through Pompeii today is eerie, as if the city paused mid-breath, waiting for its people to return. Deep in the Cambodian jungle lies Angkor, once the heart of the powerful Khmer Empire. At its peak in the 12th century, Angkor was the largest city on Earth, with over 1 million inhabitants. Its crown jewel, Angkor Wat, is still the largest religious monument ever built. But in the 15th century, the empire collapsed and the jungle reclaimed its temples. For centuries, Angkor was known only to locals until explorers brought it to the world's attention. Today, the sight of tree roots twisting around ancient stone walls feels almost supernatural, as if nature itself has claimed the ruins. Older than the pyramids, Mohenjo Daro was part of the Indus Valley civilization, flourishing around 2500 BC. This city was astonishingly advanced, with grid-planned streets, drainage systems, and multi-story houses. While Europe was still in the Stone Age, Mohenjo Daro had public baths and complex urban planning, but suddenly it disappeared. No one knows why. Some theories suggest climate change, drought, or invasions. Even today, much of Mohenjo-Daro remains unexcavated, and the secrets of its rise and fall are still buried under layers of earth. Perhaps the most famous lost city of all is one that may never have existed, Atlantis. First described by the philosopher Plato over 2,000 years ago, Atlantis was said to be a powerful and advanced civilization that was swallowed by the sea in a single day and night of disaster. Since then, countless explorers, historians, and dreamers have searched for it. Some believe it lies under the Mediterranean, others in the Caribbean, and some say it was pure allegory, a warning about human pride. Whether real or mythical, Atlantis continues to inspire books, films, and endless speculation. It represents not just a city lost to the waves, but the eternal human desire to uncover mysteries. Lost cities remind us that nothing lasts forever, not even the mightiest empires. Yet in their ruins we find echoes of who we are and who we might become. They are cautionary tales, timeless mysteries, and monuments to human ambition. Which of these cities would you most want to explore if given the chance? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this journey through history's forgotten wonders, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more adventures, and join us as we continue exploring the world's hidden stories.